Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So today's going to be a very quick video. I just did some odds and ends deals over at Walgreens. They have a bunch of different monthly deals, and some of them are coming to close, including the buy four and then they become magically $2 each. I did that again. Razor deal that's free this week. This is one you don't want to miss. We have some very inexpensive Tide for $1.32 each. And I was so very lucky to find one of these home disinfectant sprays. So I picked that up and I used a register reward from this to pay for this. So it worked out really well. And then I have a free haul here at Rite Aid. And I know I haven't been to Rite Aid in a really long time. I actually used most of my bonus cash. This week's deal is so fantastic that I just could not pass it up. So starting with zero bonus cash, I'm going to talk to you on how I did this specific deal. We have a little bit of coupon mail here we're going to talk about at the end. I have a friend out of California who sells full inserts, and we're just going to look at what she sent me. And a quick weather report for you guys. It's about 70 here today, so it's kind of a cool one, muggy, that sort of a day. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a really great day. So the first store that we're going to talk about is Walgreens, and I know that a lot of you, if you might have missed it this morning, I had a video on new clearance that include a lot of toys and face products like creams and cleansers and even like an Olay Clarisonic, which is kind of interesting. So the first deal that we're going to talk about is with this, and this is a month-long deal, and Saturday is the last day for it. It is to buy 4 of these P&G products that include the Tide Simply, there's Bounce dryer sheets, and also Unstoppables, like little beads, but I could not track either of those down, so I got 2 of the pods, 1 thing of detergent, and this cute little Downy. So 4 of them is $8 on the nose, so basically $2 each. I used one $2 coupon from the July P&G. Along with, I used a register reward from that deal. So my new total was down to $1, so I used 1,000 points, and I basically paid tax for this, so that was a really smart deal. Also a terrific deal on these Gillette razors. They are $7.99 this week. We have a very valuable $5 coupon from the July P&G. So subtracting that, it's $2.99, but hold your hat. You can use 3,000 points here, pay tax for this, and get a $3 register reward. So that is fantastic. So I did this on both Monday and today. So very happy with that. And then the final deal that I did was with the Tide products. And I could be going a lot harder on some of these deals, but I'm just not going to because I don't want to travel to 15 stores right now with the climate, with everything that's happening in the world. It's just not safe. So these guys are $4.99 this week. When you buy 3, you get back a $5 register reward. So I got 1 liquid and then 2 pods, and I had a $2 digital on my card for this. Plus I had a $2 from the July P&G for this guy and that guy. So adding the 3 up together, guys, that's a total of $14.97, subtracting the 1 digital along with the $2 from the July P&G. My new total was $8.97. Now I used 5,000 points and I paid $3.97 cash out of pocket, and I got back another $5 register reward. So basically made each item $1.32 after everything was said and done, and I'm okay with that. So just a great little deal. Now, I have been on the hunt for some disinfectant spray along with wipes. Those 2 products are really hard to find up here, but I found this citrus disinfectant spray, and I thought, man, this is something I might be able to use. And it's only 12 ounces, so it's not as big as the Lysol ones, but I'm not going to complain. This guy was exactly $4.99 on the nose. I used this register reward. I think I also had to throw in a candy bar because I was using a register reward and not points, and because my total was $4.99 and not higher than that with the register reward, it wouldn't take it for this, so I threw in like a little candy bar. But I mean, I just paid tax and then for the balance of the candy, and that was totally worth it. So you might want to look on an end cap or in the cleaning aisle if they might have restocked it. Even if you wanted to get a couple and use some points or something like that, it's a very good use to get this sort of meat and potato stuff to keep your family safe and away from germs. The last store that we have is Rite Aid, and guys, I have been kind of like hot and cold with Rite Aid, where it really hasn't been a store where I've been shopping at a lot because the deals have been exceptionally slow. And added to that, every deal that they have, like say with P&G products, they're just saying, hey, apply for that $15 gift card when you spend $50, and I would rather have deals with bonus cash. So they've been kind of not giving us the best deals, but this deal this week really worked out for me. So they have a special flyer coupon that you could find on the front of the flyer, or alternatively, if you can go into the app, go into your flyer and grab a screenshot of the barcode, you can also get the cashier to scan that at the store. So that coupon, I believe it's an RC49 or RC48. Sorry, it slips in my mind what it was. But you can stack that with the counterpart to that, which is the one for the Colgate in the flyer. So there are two different Rite Aid coupons, so they actually work in concert with each other, because I did get a basket of $40 of merchandise. However, $12 of it was using the flyer coupons. So hopefully that makes a little bit of sense, but I was able to stack both of them today. Telling you what I got here. I got 4 of these razors, and they're $5.99 a piece, so that's $23.96. We have a $4 coupon from the Smart Source of the 19th that I used 2 of those, plus I had peelies for these 2, so a $3, a $3, a $4, a $4, because the verbiage on the coupon is super strict where it's like 2 per household per day, so I kind of broke it up that way. And then here I got 4 of these toothpastes. With my gold discount, they were $3.03 a piece. Now we have a $3 flyer coupon plus a 50-center from the 12th of July Smart Source. So pairing those two together, you got 47 cents of overage for each one plus a freebie, and that is with the gold discount. So that overage helped to pay some of this down, and then to get my basket right to 40 bucks. I also had to throw in this candy. You can get whatever you want, but I went with these. And they're 95 cents each with my gold discount, so that was $4.75. So for all of this merchandise, guys, the basket is $40.83. At this point, I got the cashier to scan the 10 off of 40 from my smartphone. That scanned beautifully. And then I handed over my $3 coupons for the flyer for that, along with the 50-cent. The 2 $4 for this and the 2 $3 for this. Everything scanned, no problems, no issues. My new subtotal was, I also had 50 centers for these two from the Smart Source. So my new subtotal was $2.83. I had to pay that out of pocket because I didn't have any bonus cash on my store card. And then I got back $5 of bonus cash, because the deal with this is when you buy $20, you get back $5 this week on the Schick products. So this made the haul free plus a $2.17 money maker, and I'll take that every day of the week. The only snag you might have is if your store will only let you do 1 flyer coupon per Colgate, you might have to grab something else, but it's still a really hot deal to do something with that 10 off of 40. So I would absolutely do something with it, because I mean, this is a free haul and it was super easy to do. So loving that. And yeah, so now I have $5 on my one card, so I might have to look for some more deals next week. Okay guys, so I have a friend based out of California. Her name is Sandra. Her email, Instagram, all that great information will be in the notes if you want to send her an old-fashioned email. So we're gonna look through these inserts, and then we're gonna look at her price board of what she has. So this was the coupon I was able to use 2 of. today at Rite Aid, but lots of different shaving coupons. This one too, alternatively, you could use at Rite Aid this week, but I used the one from 2 weeks ago because that's the one I had clipped. We're gonna kind of go through this quickly. Pause the video if you wanna look at the coupons a little more thoroughly, because I do talk a lot, maybe too much. That's a very good coupon for the Renew contact lens solution. I think there's an Ibotta rebate for that too. A whole bunch of vitamin coupons there, some Bengay. I know there's lots of kid stuff on clearance right now over at Walmart. I think even this Zyrtex little money maker, they usually have an end cap of them somewhere. It's pretty inexpensive. Boy, this is the Colgate insert. So that was the first one. This next one is $75 of savings. So more flyers or more razor coupons. Sandra clearly wants me to go back to Rite Aid because I don't think I'm going to be able to stay out of that store. I was going to do some Ibotta shopping today, guys, this afternoon at Meijer just to get a couple odds and ends, and the parking lot was an ocean of people, and I just drove home. I just like I'm so, it's not that I'm scared of people, but I don't want to risk being that close to so many people. I don't know if some of you feel the same way like me, but I'm just kind of scared. You know, you turn on the news every day and it's always worse. So that's why I really like to shop at like a smaller Rite Aid or a smaller Walgreens or Dollar General, because sometimes like Walmart, I gotta hit it first thing in the morning. Okay, so this is the Retail Me Not. Maybe I'm just too much of a spaz. Maybe you guys can let me know in the comments. Or if you might feel the same way like me, where you're just kind of afraid. Look at all these Dove coupons. Sandra, you're killing me. Okay, let's go look at her price board. Okay guys, so looking at the bundle that I just showed you, she has very limited sets left, so definitely check her link tree to see what's there. But 5 of each would be 15, 10 of each would be 22. This includes the free priority shipping. Jumping into next week, which is the week of the 26th, we have the August P&G with Tide. 2 different Retail Me Nots and 2 different smart sources, so 5 books altogether. 5 of each would be 24, jumping up to 10, it's 40 with the priority shipping included. If you need to get in touch with her, Instagram and good old-fashioned email will be linked at the bottom, and don't forget to look at her link tree to see what coupons are, or what inserts are remaining. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.